Hey guys, I wanted to show you some pretty cool stuff I've had sitting in a shoebox for, God, well, since 1979. When I was 9 years old, I had a huge train track in my basement, and man, it was cool as hell. Big mountain, all that. Well, these are some of the trains that I had. Um, got this old steam engine, which unfortunately the coupler on it is broke. Gotta fix that. It's got a wheel missing. Now keep in mind, I was 9 years old. Uh, Coupler's missing on the back. Um, she's kind of in some rough shape. Needs cleaned up. Looks like it's got some mold and stuff on it. Um, One of my engines that I had. This thing was really cool looking. Um, Definitely neat. Unfortunately, it got dropped or something. As you can tell, the front's busted. But, that happens there again when you're 9 years old. Uh, Gerber's boxcar. Um, it's got all the wheels, all the couplers. That one's in good shape. Cool. Got this boxcar that has a door and the slide rail missing. There again, that one's kind of in decent shape, but it's got the door and everything on this side. That's cool. And Swift refrigerator line. I don't know if any of these things are worth any money or not. This one's kind of neat. Unfortunately, it's got some paint spilled on the top of it. I'll have to try to scratch off, but it's got a really neat little graffiti guy. I don't know if it'll go in on that or not. My gal. Kind of funny. DC Superman. DC Comics, 1977. Wow. That's neat. Kind of beat a little bit on the top. Got the little wheel missing off there. Couplers there. That one seems to be in decent shape. And CP rail. These are just neat. I mean, I haven't messed with, electric train sets for, well, since 1979. But I found all these out of a box, and I was like, man, I got to get them out. I was talking to a friend of mine. He said he's got a track. Because I don't know if any of them run. Like I said, we'll have to find out. But this one's neat. It's a Wabash Cafe Lounge. Doesn't have anything inside it, but kind of neat how it's got the little screen across there, so you don't fall down if you're standing on the edge, I guess. Kind of a longer car, obviously. It's got a busted coupler on it too, so it's got the wheel on the end of it though. That's cool. But yeah, just some of these old trains that I've had. Like I said, 51 now, almost 52 next month, and just kind of neat to see these old things. I'm gonna get them cleaned up, and really want to get that thing cleaned up and around. 'Cause I remember my dad buying me that one. I still remember it plain as day. And yeah, just kind of fun. But no, like I said, if you guys in model trains and stuff, um, it's a pretty neat thing. I'm just want to see if they work, get them cleaned up, and maybe get a track someday. Who knows? But anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And all you guys, thanks for watching, and just stay safe out there. Take care. Thanks.